Good morning and Jai Hind children. I hope you all are fine. And yesterday we did with pluralitor. We have learnt 4 rules. Yes? So I will revise. The words that end with consonant, we add S to them. And the words that ends with hissing sound like glass, bunch, gas, dish, box, to such hissing sound ending words we add es. Also, I told you about the word that ends with o, we add es to them as well. And I told you the exceptions also. The word that ends with O, you have to learn such words because here you don't add ES, you simply add S to make them plural. So, and next we have learned about F or FE. Yes, that we replace F and we write VES, we replace FE and we write VES. And I told you about exceptions. There are few exceptions where you don't replace F, you just add S to make them plural. Then I told you about Y ending words. You replace Y and you add IES to make them plural. Also I told you that the words that end with Y and the second last letter is a vowel. We don't replace Y. We just add S to such words. Now, there is one more rule. If the word ends with F, there are certain words which follow both the versions. Both the versions means you can write F, you can add S to F and you can replace F and you can write VS. Such words are, you can write scarves or you can write scarves. You can write plural for dwarf can be dwarfs and dwarves as well. It can be the plural of hoof can be hoofs and hooves also. Now, today we are here with some nouns that do not follow any rules. And they change their inside vowel. Like mouse is the singular. When there is only one mouse, we say mouse. When there are many, we say mice. Man, one man, many men. And also there are some nouns that are the same in both singular and plural form. For example, here. We always say here. We never say here's. Bison. Plural of bison is bison. Cattle. Always we say cattle, whether it is one or many. Children, there are some nouns which are always used in plural form. For example, we always say socks. We never say sock. Scissors. Give me a pair of scissors. Spectacles. Shoes. Vegetables. These words are always come in plural form. Same way, there are some nouns which are used in singular form. For example, hair, staff, deer, furniture. They always come in singular form. Now children, open your book page number 5 and write over here the day, and here you will write the date, and just above the date you will write CW, that is classwork. Now I'm going to read. There are some nouns that do not follow any rules, as I explained you. They change their inner vowel also, like woman, women, child, children, ox, oxen, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, man, men. I have made this card also, which says woman, woman, child, children, ox, oxen, foot, feet, tooth, teeth. There are few more words which do not follow any rule. Now here in your book the other rule is given. Some nouns are the same in both singular and plural forms. For example, fish, fish, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, fruit, fruit. And there is a note given over here. If there are many kinds of fish or fruit, then we say fishes and fruits. Like this. Now, fish will be fish, sheep will be sheep, deer will be deer, fruit will be fruit. For singular and plural both, they will not change. Now, when the note says if there are many kinds of fish or fruit, then we say fishes and fruits. Now I will explain you how. Like here, all the fish are of the same type. So they are many in number. But we will say there are many fish. We will not say many fishes. When we are going to say many fishes, see this. Now here you have variety of fishes. 1, 2 and 3. So here you will use fishes ES because there are different types of fishes in it. Now when it comes to fruit, yes, here when it comes to fruit, there are many apples, but there is only one kind of fruit, but they are many in number. Then also you will never say fruits, you will say fruit. When you will use fruits? When you will have different types of fruits. Like here also you have many fruits, but they are different. Apples, grapes and cherries. So I hope you have understood when to use fruit and when to use fruits, and also when to use fish and when to use fishes in plural. Now let's do the book exercise I have already written on the board. I hope everyone has written the day and the date on page number 50. Now this is exercise E. Now let me read the question. Write the plural of these nouns. These are all nouns. Now you have to write the plural of it. Now the first one is bottle. The plural of bottle is bottles. You will add S to it. Bottles. The next word is bus. The hissing sound. And the hissing sound you add buses. You add ES tail. Now, tooth. It is a, yes, you are going to, it is a irregular noun. So, tooth becomes teeth when we change it to plural. Now, the next is orange. Here, E is silent. Yes. So, we will write oranges. Now, branch. Branch, again the hissing sound, and you will write BRANCHES, branches. Number 6 is box. To make it plural, we will box. The hissing sound. Yes, we will add es. Box says. Now, donkey. Yes, what we will add? We will add s to it. Very good. donkeys. Donkeys. Now, the next word is bunny. Yes, we will remove. Yes, we will replace y with what? Vs? No, with ies. So, we will write bunnies. BUNN, and we will replace y and we will just write ies. And it is the plural word of bunny. Bunnies. Child. Child. It is again an irregular plural. Children. So, you will never use children's. There is no word as children's or child's. When you want to talk about one, you will say child. When you want to talk about many, you will say children. Now, the next word is sentence. And yes, we will add s to it to make it plural. It will become sentences. Now, flower. Flower, flowers. Mango, mangoes. I hope everyone has done page number 15. Yes. Now let's turn our page to page number 16. There are few more words and we will change them also into plural. Foot. Feet. FEET, feet. Mouse. Yes, you will never say mouses. It is always mice. Mouse, mice. Peach. Again the hissing sound. So you will add es. Peaches. Bush. Yes, the hissing sound. Bushes. Fly. You will replace y and you will write ies. Flies. Now number 18 is fox. Again the hissing sound. So what you will add? Foxes. Now number 19 is lady. You will replace y with ies. Ladies. Now number 20 is strawberry. Strawberry, you will change it to now what are we going to do? We are going to replace this y and we are just going to add ies. This way we have completed exercise E. We have changed the words, the singular word into plural. Now, let's move on to exercise F. Exercise F. The question is complete the sentences by choosing the correct plural. This is your homework. So, all of you write their homework and today's date. Write today's date and just above that you will write homework and write today's day as well here. Yes. Now I will explain you how to do the exercise. First one is already done. I have 2 boxes full of toys. Now they have not ticked on the correct option, but you will tick on the correct option. Now the next is, I will do one for you. Most trees have green dash. So, which spelling is correct? Leaves, leafes, या leafs? What? leaves. So, first put a tick here and then write here leaves. So, this way you will do other 6 questions given in exercise F, page number 816. So, bye bye till we meet next again.